Hey beautiful people, I hope y'all having a beautiful day. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. So this silk press has just about had it. So I'm deciding to do some soft curls. My hair is crazy how soft my hair has been since I visited the salon and got this done. If you haven't seen that video, please check that out. It was such a great experience. And then I give you my tips and things I've noticed over the past 12 months of protective styling, if it really paid off. I do a length check and all that good stuff. So yeah, hopefully I can get a nice curl, but I can still have soft curls. So I'm going to be using some Cream of Nature setting lotion and the orange perm rods. Change of plans. I'm using purple. It's a bit smaller, so it'll give me a bit more curl. So I'm barely using a half a pump on my sections. I'm just gonna detangle it. Start from the bottom. Overlap it a bit and then swirl it up until it's nice and snug and snap it in. So I'll go ahead and finish up and then I'll sleep on it and see you guys tomorrow morning for the takedown. Okay, they're nice and dry. Time to take them out. Hey, they stayed in place. This one is dying to come out, so I'll take it out first. So by using just that setting lotion, my curls got the definition they needed, but they are still so soft, and that's exactly what I wanted. So if you want to keep those curls soft, just don't use too much product, or don't use a heavy product. Just use something light like that mousse or even a cream conditioner, and it'll give you the definition that you want, but it won't weigh down your curls. I honestly just cannot believe how soft that silk press has my hair. It's like, it feels so good. So now I'm going to go in and separate, and the key to separation, you kind of want to take your time and figure out where your hair naturally wants to separate. So I'm just separating them nice and gently to maintain as much definition. To fluff the roots, I'm just going to grab the hair and go up like 1 inch. I don't want to mess up the definition. Do y'all see these bouncy, fluffy curls? I'm so happy with how this perm rod set came out. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.